Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this question it's given AB, BC and CA are the tangents to the circle at point F, D and E respectively. AB is equal to BC plus 6 units and AB is also AC plus 2 units. If the perimeter of the triangle is 34 units, then find the value of CD plus AE minus BF. So let's solve this question. So it is given in the question that AB is equal to BC plus 6 and AB is also equal to AC plus 2. Now the perimeter of the triangle ABC is 34. So this can be written as AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 34. And we have to find out the value of CD plus AE minus BF. Now substituting the value of BC and AC from this equations to this equation, we will get AB plus BC is AB minus 6 plus CA is AB minus 2 is equal to 34, or 3AB is equal to 42. This will give AB is equal to 14. Now it's given that AB, BC and CD are tangents. So tangent from a point to a circle are always equal. So this will be equal to this. So if BF is X, then BD will also be X. Similarly, if CD is Y, CE will be Y. And if AF is Z, AE will also be Z. Now, it is also given AB is equal to BC plus 6 and AB is equal to AC plus 2. So 14 is equal to BC plus 6 or BC is equal to 8. Now BC is BD plus DC, that is X plus Y is equal to 8. Similarly, 14 is equal to AC plus 2. This implies AC is equal to 12 and AC is Z plus Y is equal to 12. Now perimeter of a triangle is 34. So perimeter can also be written as 2x plus 2y plus 2z is equal to 34. X plus y is 8. So 2x plus 2y will be 16. So 16 plus 2z is equal to 34, which will give 2z is equal to 18 or z is equal to 9. Now substituting value of z here, we will get y is equal to 3, and putting y is equal to 3 here, we will get x is equal to 5. So now we have x is equal to 5, y is equal to 3 and z is equal to 9. We have to find out the value of CD plus AE minus BF. Now CD is Y, AE is Z and BF is X. Now substituting the values, we will get 3 plus 9 minus 5. This is equal to 7 units. So this is the answer for the question. Hope you liked the video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for more such interesting questions. Thanks for watching.